Welcome. Today I'll be unboxing the Apple AirTag, which is basically a direct competition to the Samsung Tag something, whatever they made. So just pop open and see what we get inside. Okay, so nothing in there, some paperwork, and there's the tag itself, which looks like there's no way to take it out without ripping it, apparently. Oh, there we go. Just made a little noise. I do have to say this looks way more elegant than the actual Samsung version of it, so that's about all I have to say to it. But yeah, that's all we get in the box for $30. The tiny little Bluetooth, I would assume this is something like Bluetooth/NFC tag, and that's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.